Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.1, Problem 8. This is Section 3.1, Problem 8. It says write the following fraction as a decimal. We have 825 and 4/100ths. So to write the number as a decimal, of course, we will start with 825 before the decimal, the whole number portion of it. We'll have a decimal point. After the decimal, we'll have a 4, but we have to write the 4 with an extra 0 in front of it. You should have as many places after the decimal as there are zeros in the denominator of the fraction. The 100 in the denominator has 2 zeros, so we should have 2 places after the decimal. So if I write 0.04, so I have the 4 from the denominator, but with a 0 in front, I now have 2 places after the decimal to give me the same number as how many zeros I have in the denominator of the fraction. So my final answer is 825.04.